Hi, in this video we're going to prepare the system to install a new test console. So in order to do that, first we need to remove the existing test console. So you want to copy the ISO image to the desktop. Next you're going to want to create a folder that you can mount the ISO image to. So we're just going to call this folder SCK, and then you'll open a terminal and mount the ISO image to the new SCK folder. And then you're going to want to launch the installer program, which is used to create or remove a test console. So you're going to want to choose option 3 to remove the current system, and choose the Ethernet adapter that is assigned. It should be 10.1.1.2. And then here you can either remove or leave the existing Pixie install files. You can remove your backup files if you like. And then finally you can remove your SCK files if you like. And then you just press enter when you're done, and that's it.